Hello YouTube, I'm back for another video. This time it's very simple. I am replacing this PCV valve. The first thing you're gonna do is to take off the two crown nuts using 10 millimeters and then remove the plastic cover. Then you will see the holes right here. This holes, follow these holes down here. Then you find the PCV valve under there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right under here. I am using this PCV valve. It's made in Japan, and it's for a 2008 Honda CRV, also for 2007 to 2011 Honda CRV, and it's OEM. Remove the clamp right here, under here, and twist the hose for easy removal. You twist it like that and pull it out. So at the factory they place the hose clip downward. You can use the small flatbed screwdriver to put it in that hole and then turn it so the hose clip will go upward. I'm gonna show you right here. So I used this small flatbed screwdriver and then I put it in right that hole right here, and then I turn it, so now the hose clamp is upward. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the long nose pliers, then squeeze it, clamp it, and twist the hose and slowly pull it out. You can move this hose clamp up here at the top for easy access to the bottom clamp, and then use the pliers carefully, just twist it a little bit, twist the hose a little bit for easy removal. Just gently twist it a little bit so that way you don't damage the hose. Put it out of the way. Now you can see the clamp that was face down. I moved it upward, and now I can use this long nose pliers to remove the clamp. After you twist the hose a little bit for easy removal and pull out the hose, then use this socket right here. It's the let me see, it's the 17 millimeters. So this is the old one. I just took it out. So notice that the new one and the old one looks the same, but the new one does not come with the gasket. So I'm gonna use the gasket here from the old one and transfer it to the new one. You can use a little bit of antifreeze, but it's not necessary if you don't have to. And then torque it down to just 29 foot-pound, or Yeah, 29 foot-pounds. Sorry, did I mention anti-freeze? I mean, it's anti-seize. Yeah, and torque it to 29 foot-pounds. When you take it out, when you take out a PCV valve, and when you install it, be careful not to drop the gasket, because if you do, then you're gonna have fun look for it. I feel like 29 foot-pound is a little bit too much for this, so I'm gonna do just about 20 foot-pound. So I don't think it's like 29 foot-pound like the manual calls for. I think it's a lot, should be a lot less than that, but that's my opinion. I think I just tied it to, I feel it, I'm not gonna use a torque wrench. Alright, all done. I put back the plastic cover. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a good day. And subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification. So in the future, if I have a new video or something, when I post it up, upload it to YouTube, you guys will be able to find it. As I will keep this Honda CRV for probably the rest of my life, because it's my, like I said, it's my dad's car. It used to be my dad's car. Thank you so much. Again, have a good day. Bye.